The joy of a wood stove. Here we have a nice wood stove that's starting to really perk it up. We can see the flames licking the logs. It will supply us some much needed heat. We are in Prince Edward Island now. We're having a great time, enjoying the fellowship of all of our friends, visiting a few nice restaurants, but it is a little chilly. Actually, we're about 3 months behind Framingham. So right now, the comfort of a wood stove is adding to our visit. In a few minutes, we're going to be looking forward to a wonderful meal prepared by Jean. She is going to have some nice boiled mackerel, while I will have a wonderful pulled pork sandwich. Now, it's all going good. Now, Leslie's in town with her friend Mary Ellen. They're going to go to a nice restaurant tonight. Then they're going to go to perhaps a dance club. We're not sure, but we'll find out when they get home. They may be tiptoeing in around 1 or 2 o'clock. As for us, we're going to meet our old fogey friends and have a little card game. That doesn't sound too exciting, but actually it is for us. Maybe you'll get to that point sometime in your life. It's not what you're doing, it's who you're with. Now with that, I will almost close, except to say, I am going to miss the X-Men today because I know it's coming out, but I will be there to see it this weekend. I will be with my fellow colleagues at AMC, and Jean will too, and we'll be back with our buddies at the coffee shop, and then we'll join our friends down at the wonderful restaurant, the Wayside Inn, and have our good waiter, Eddie, prepare a wonderful turkey dinner. Now we're going to close, and we do wish you a good day, especially Kelly Howard, who is having this birthday. And I have advice for her was to have a good blizzard and go see that movie. And we'll say adieu, adieu, adieu to you from Prince Edward Island.